The cat and his enemy every day. Sir Whiskers patrols the kitchen like a knight guarding a castle. Tail high, eyes sharp, he's ready for war. But the enemy? A band of tiny mice with the stealth of ninjas and the nerve of pirates. They steal crumbs, dart through shadows, and leave no cheese behind. Sir Whiskers has tried everything: stealth attacks, decoy naps, even the dreaded pounce. But somehow, these mice are always one whisker ahead. It's not just a battle, it's a saga, and it's far from over.